Samsung has come close to perfecting the foldable phone over the past few years, and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be even better than current models. Although we haven't heard many rumors about this phone, but we have heard a few things. In addition, we'll include a wish list for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 at the video's conclusion, detailing the features we'd like to see implemented to address our biggest complaints with the Z Fold 4. Samsung Foldable lags behind the competition, so a few things that Samsung can improve with the inevitable Z Fold 5. They improved camera system, but it might stick with the triple camera array. Moreover, Samsung might include an ISO GN350 megapixels main sensor along with 12 megapixel ultra-wide and 10 megapixel telephoto lens. Also, rumors says there might be a slight improvement in the front-facing camera, so instead of 10 megapixel, they might boast a 12 megapixel selfie camera. In terms of performance, these upcoming smartphones are expected to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. As per report from South Korea, Samsung is trying to put a S Pen in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Although Samsung did try with the Z Fold 4, but due to space limitations we didn't get a chance to see the built-in S Pen in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Not only that, Samsung is also trying to drop the weight on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is a big challenge since adding the S Pen along with the weight loss would be a big challenge. Not only that, with the Z Fold 5 we might see the slimmer design on the Z Fold 5 and we might see a reduced squeeze on the Z Fold 5, but you will get the same single hedge design just like we have seen on the Z Fold 4, because it gives us an IPX8 rating for the waterproofing. As this year we get to know about the Samsung, we're going to use a new stacking technology which helps Samsung to put a bigger battery in the same size as the rollable batteries, which means we can hope to get a bigger battery on the Z Fold 5, potentially bigger than 4400 mAh battery on the Z Fold 4 and better charging speed 45 watt instead of 25 watt on the Z Fold 4. No word yet on pricing, but considering the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 begins at $1,799, or £1,649, or $2,499 it's possible that the new device will cost about the same. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.